Hi students, good afternoon. Welcome to ICT class. Do you know me? Yeah, I am Sajida, your ICT teacher. Okay. Then I hope you all are well at home. Okay. Okay. Now we can start our IT class or ICT class. What is the full form of ICT? Information and Communication Technology. Okay. Then please take your textbook, IT textbook and notebook. Then you must note the important points in your notebook. Okay? Okay. Then you open your IT textbook. Our first chapter is let's write a letter. Let's write a letter. Okay. Then you can see one letter in your textbook. Is it? Okay. That letter written by headmaster inviting parents for Mother's Day celebration. Is it? Yeah. Then which day is observed as a Mother's Day? Do you know? May 14th. May 14th observed as Mother's Day. Okay. Then how can we prepare this letter to the computer? How can we prepare this letter to the computer? Okay. With the help of one software, we can create or we can prepare this letter to the computer. The name of that software is LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer. You learned about LibreOffice Writer software. Is it? In last year, you studied about LibreOffice Writer software. The LibreOffice Writer software is a word processing software. It is used to type letters, make notices and greeting cards, etc. Okay. LibreOffice Writer software is a word processor software. It helps to create letters, notices and greeting cards. Okay. Then how can we open LibreOffice Writer software? How you know? Okay, you studied in 6th standard, is it? Applications, Office, LibreOffice Writer. Applications, Office, LibreOffice Writer. That is the way to open LibreOffice Writer software. When you open in that way, you will get one window of LibreOffice Writer software. In that window, you can see title bar. In that title bar, you can see the title of that window. What is the title? LibreOffice Writer. That is the title. The next you can see menu bar. In that menu bar, menu bar contains so many menus like file, edit, view, insert, etc. Okay. Then in that window, one page is also included. Is it? That page is used to write or type the letters. Then you can see one vertical line on that page. One vertical line. What is it? It is cursor. That vertical line is called cursor. When you type, that cursor is also moving. Is it? Yeah. Okay. Then first you open your LibreOffice Writer software. Then you can type this letter. Then you must use capital letters wherever required. And you must put space between words. Must put space between words. Okay. Then use symbols also. Then you must change the line spacing. set the line space and use alignment tools and align the words. Okay. Okay. Then here we can open that LibreOffice Writer software and open that letter. Okay. LibreOffice Writer software applications, Office, LibreOffice Writer. Applications, Office, LibreOffice Writer. That is the way to open LibreOffice Writer software. Okay. Now we will get one window of LibreOffice Writer software. In title bar you can see the name of that window, that is LibreOffice Writer. Then menu bar contains so many menus: file, editor, view, insert, format, styles, table, form, tools, window, help. Okay. Then you can see one cursor, one vertical line. That vertical line is called cursor. When you type, that cursor is also move. While you typing, the cursor is also move. That vertical line is known as cursor. We can type the THE. What's the mistake in your textbook? Only first letter is capital. So we can remove with the that letters with the help of backspace. Is it? Again you can type the. Then put space with the help of space bar, head, master. Here if you want you can type H is also in capital, head. Okay. Then press enter key. The next, what is the next line in your textbook? Look in your textbook. GMUES. GMUES. That is the name of the school. Edappal. GMUES Edappal. Okay. Then press enter key. When you press enter key, that cursor moves to next line. Cursor moves to next line. Then type the date. Okay. Then press enter 2 times. For what? To get gap. You can change the size of that letters. How can change? Select the text and press on size button and increase the size of that number. Then type dear parents, then put comma, then press enter key, press again enter key for gap. Then you can type. First letter is capital, so you must press shift key and type T, shift and T. The parent teacher association, but here don't put space between parent and teacher. It's a mistake. If you want space, you put cursor between parent and teacher and press space bar. Okay, that's a mistake. Then again mistake, association, then press space bar, then off. That's also mistake. System identify that mistakes with the red underline. Is it? Okay. Association of our school has decided to celebrate Mother's Day. Celebrate Mother's Day on 14th May. 14th May. Look in your textbook, okay? In the school, auditorium. In this school, auditorium. Again mistake. A is capital. A of auditorium is capital. This also you can change. We cordially request your esteemed okay, your esteemed presence on presence. One mistake, is it? Okay. How can clear? With the help of backspace, you can delete that letter and correct it. Okay. Esteemed presence. On this occasion, occasion full stop, then put 2 space, click 2 times space bar, then start next sentence. We are also planning a function, again mistake. Okay, now correct it. Function to honor, if it's a mistake, system or computer identify that mistake with the red line, underline. Okay, honor all mothers on that day. All mothers on that day. Okay, then press enter key 3 times, then with regards, first letter is capital, so must type in capital letter, with regards, then headmaster. Okay. Then we want to change the font style, is it? Okay. How can change the font style? We want to change the font style and format the letter. So first select this letter, then select font style. There are display so many type of font styles. When you press on that arrow mark, display so many type of font styles. You can see Likhan, Linux, then Manjari, so many font styles display. Mukti, when you select Mukti, display that font style. These are all various types of font styles. So many type of font styles you can see. Vardhana, URW, that is the another font style. This is also another one. Okay. Then here, as in a textbook, we can select URV Chowdhury, Chancery, URW Chancery, that is the style name, URW Chancery. Okay. Then we can alignment of the letters body, left align, center align, right align, then justify. Okay. So, justify tool is used to set the left and right side of the letter body. Okay. Justify option. Okay. Now, we prepared one letter to the computer, is it? Okay. How can prepare? First we open LibreOffice Writer software, then type the letter, then we want to format the letter. How? First we select all letter and change the font style, change the font style, select the letter, then select the font style button and select which style you want. Here we select URW Chancery. Okay. Then next we set the alignments, give alignments of the letter body. We give justify option, is it? For what? Justify option is helps to set the left and right part of the letter body and make it beautiful. Okay. Then one thing is also you want, select that body of the letter and adjust the line spacing, adjust the line spacing. Default line spacing is single, default line spacing is single. So, you select the letter body and select the line spacing tool. You can see that line spacing tool in the toolbar. Okay. Select the line spacing tool, then choose 1.5. When you press on that button, display so many options, single, double, 1.5 like that. Then you can choose 1.5. Okay. Okay. That time that letter body set as like your textbook. Okay. So, in this portion explain about prepare letter, then format the letter, prepare letter and format. Format means modify the letter, that means to make attractive. Okay. Then next today our portion is over. Now I will give some questions from this portion. Okay. So, write down the questions. First question, how can I open LibreOffice Writer software? First question, how can open LibreOffice Writer software? Second question, what is the use of justify tool? What is the use of justify tool? Third question, what is the main use of LibreOffice Writer software? What is the use of main use of LibreOffice Writer software? Okay. And you must write the answer of these questions. Okay. Then any doubts in this portion? Our first chapter is let's write a letter. Okay. Then our activity is to prepare one letter with the help of LibreOffice Writer software. Okay. So, first we open that LibreOffice Writer software and type the letters and format the letter very attractively. Okay. Okay. Now, today our time is over. See you next class. Okay. Thank you.